Most people using ChatGPT right now are getting mediocre results and blaming the tool. But the tool is not the problem. The problem is how they're using it. There are 5 specific mistakes that kill your output quality, waste your time, and leave you thinking AI just is not that impressive. After this video, you will not make any of them again. Mistake number 1. You are not giving ChatGPT a role. When you open a blank chat and type a generic question, you get a generic answer. The model has no context for who it is supposed to be talking to or what kind of output it should produce. Fix this immediately. Start every prompt by assigning a role. Tell it you are an expert copywriter, a financial analyst, a senior software engineer. The moment you establish identity, the quality of the response shifts. You get specificity instead of generality. This single change will improve your results more than any other prompt trick you read about. Mistake number 2. You are writing one-shot prompts and expecting perfection. Nobody writes a perfect prompt on the first try, and that is not how the tool is designed to work. ChatGPT is a conversation, not a vending machine. The people getting elite results are iterating. They prompt, evaluate the output, then refine. They say, make the tone more direct, cut this section, add a concrete example here. Treat every response as a draft, not a final answer. Mistake number 3. You are not giving it enough context. You ask it to write an email without telling it who the recipient is, what the relationship is, or what outcome you need. You ask it to summarize something without explaining what the summary is for. Context is the difference between a generic output and one that actually fits your situation. The more specific you are about the situation, the audience, and the desired outcome, the better the result. Mistake number 4. You are accepting the first response without pressure testing it. ChatGPT is trained to sound confident, even when it is wrong or incomplete. If you never push back, you are trusting output you have not verified. Get in the habit of asking follow-up questions. Ask it to identify weaknesses in its own answer. Ask it to consider a counter-argument. Ask it to give you a better version of what it just produced. This is not about being difficult. It is about using the model to its full capacity instead of stopping at the surface. Mistake number 5. You are using it for tasks that need real-time data without accounting for the knowledge cutoff. People ask ChatGPT what the best AI tools are right now or what happened in the market last week, and they take the answer at face value. The base model does not have live data. If you need current information, you need to use web-enabled versions or feed the data into the prompt yourself. Not knowing this limitation means you are building on a foundation that may be outdated. Here is the meta-insight that ties all of this together. Most people treat ChatGPT like a search engine. They type a question, read the answer, and leave. The people who are actually getting leverage out of this tool treat it like a collaborator. They bring context, they assign roles, they iterate, they challenge the output, and they know the limitations. That mindset shift is the whole game. If you want more videos like this, practical, direct, no fluff, on how to actually use AI to get results, subscribe right now. New video every week. You will not regret it.